Hello everyone,
I want.
and welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, a place of fine and craft ales. If you haven't met me before, this is my world famous brother Alan Partridge.
And this is my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
Hello everyone.
How's it going?
Not too bad. And I'd like to just say a nice big warm welcome to our new subscribers. We had a few last time. Thank you very much for joining us. If you are joining us for the first time, here in the Dog and Partridge, we brew and review home brew beer kits.
We do indeed.
We do indeed. From a range of suppliers,
Yeah.
from extract to all grain.
Basically, yeah.
Basically, yeah.
Anything.
Anything.
You name it, he'll make it.
In fact, if you do name it to me, I will have a go at making it and we'll review it. Now,
I'll drink it.
of my own style, yes.
So, what have we got from you today then, bro?
Well, we've got a range of beer kits from the range suppliers across the bar. We've got Hobgoblin Gold from Shop from Homebrew.
Now, we've done an gold kit before.
We have indeed, yeah.
But it was all grain, wasn't it?
It was all grain and it was just a recipe, not a
It was
kit.
just, it was just a recipe.
This is a beer kit from Shop for Homebrew.
We'll dive in straight in with this one.
It's up to you. I'm going to give you the choice of where to start today. We've got Munton's Continental Pilsner beer kit, and we've got Bitter to the End, an all grain beer kit from,
Bitter to end.
from those people at Gitter Brews.
Let's
Where
work-
would you like to start?
Let's work across, bro. Let's go for the gold.
Alright, we can soon do that. Look.
So I've got box. Here we go. Look.
And it's one of their replica ranges from the Shop from Homebrew. That's their replica range there.
I don't think we've had a bad one of these yet, have we?
Nope.
So, you're probably all fairly familiar with Hobgoblin Gold. Tribute in the style of Hobgoblin Gold. Makes 40 pints. 4.6.
I did struggle to get it to the right ABV.
Oh, right, okay. Gold might be lighter in colour. It's definitely no lightweight. A combination of hop varieties and an infusion of wheat and malted barley has resulted in the perfect golden beer with a huge hop punch. Well, there you go.
There you go.
I do like Hobgoblin Gold. So,
Can't mash beer kit, so like we said in the previous videos, please check them out. You need something to put 10 litres of hot water in, keep it a certain degree. You get a big bag of grain to put in there, and then malt extract to add later.
Boom.
Boom.
Usual sort of price for this kit?
Yep. $24.95.
$24.95 for what, 40 pints?
Yep.
You can't go wrong, can
Can't
you?
go wrong.
Right, let's try it then. Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
Well, it's the right colour and it's Hobgoblin glass.
Yeah, so we've got the right nose to it. No, there's a nice hoppy, smelly to it. Nice zesty smell.
It's quite zesty, isn't it?
Zesty smell. Zesty.
Cheers.
Cheers. What are we saying there, bro? What are we saying?
I like it. I do like it.
I'm not going to say, I'm thinking if he's going to think the same as me.
There's a
here.
book coming. I don't think it tastes like Hobgoblin Gold.
Ditto. I think that's a cracking beer. A lovely hoppy,
That's a lovely-
a good punch of dryness there. But
When I smelt it, I'm thinking, it's not got that Hobgoblin nose.
it hasn't
You know,
got that
it's-
foot like I'm going to say. You can almost taste the fortified wheat in the background with
Yes.
that with the hops mixed in.
It's cracking. There's no wrong with it.
It's dry.
When he said I'm going to get an Hobgoblin Gold, I'm like, oh, it's not an Hobgoblin Gold. It's a lovely golden beer. Don't get me wrong.
So let's just make sure we are right. We have got a bottle of the said legendary beer here. There you go, Bo. Try some of that. I'll get myself a glass as well. Try a bit as well.
The nose is just that much different. Isn't it?
Yeah, there's. It sounds weird, but there's almost a drier nose there. There's a different hop in there to there is in there.
He's going to hit me in a minute. But I'd go as far as to say as the one you've made is actually a lot sweeter to me. This is a Hobgoblin Gold's quite a nice, dry, light beer. There's nothing sweet about it, where I think there is a little bit about the one we've brewed, or the one that he's brewed, should I say.
This is more malty.
It is indeed.
You can taste, like I say, the wheat and the maltness in there.
Exactly.
As well as you can't taste the malt so much in the beer kit. It is a good beer.
It's cracking beer. It's
And
10,
I know, right.
10 out of 10 anyway. But
Okay, you say it is a style.
Style.
So you're not going to get an exact copy. Yeasts and waters and all the rest
But
of it.
having
You're
said-
not going to get an exact copy.
Having said that, bro, the one you did from the recipe,
Yes.
I think got a lot closer.
I think it did, yes.
Yeah.
Good beer.
Cracking beer.
I wouldn't have said it was exactly the same as I
You know what? If he brought me out and hadn't told me what it was, he brought me out in the garden and I was having a barbecue, I'd be loving it, drinking it. It's fab beer, but it doesn't taste that much like Upcoming Gold.
This is more hoppy. And whereas that's...
I mean, we're being very picky here.
We're being picky.
We are being picky.
Good beer. It's a good beer.
It's good beer.
It's good beer.
I like it. Right, then, let's work across then, bro. So, what was on this one?
Before we move on,
Right,
I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10.
Oh, I said it's 10 out of 10.
Oh, did you?
Yes.
Well, there's only enough not listening.
Not listening, is it?
I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10 because it is a cracking beer.
Oh.
But because it doesn't come as close as I'd like to Goblin Gold,
I know.
1 point.
He's got
Just
a
1
point. I might have to knock half off because he has got a valid point there. But yeah, cracking beer. Right, another beer then, bro.
Another beer then. Let me move these down there out of the way.
I'll move that down there. Fresh on the bar. What we got next, bro?
Well, every now and again, for our new subscribers, etc., we're just going to revisit beer kits.
Got to be done.
It's got to be done because there's some cracking beer kits out there. So I've decided every now and again I'm going to remake a beer kit, revisit it, see if it's as good as it was the
Because
first one.
not only, obviously, my brother's the one that does all the brewing, as you guys know. His experience grows as you do it, doesn't it? So there's obviously a few things you might do different. Obviously,
Might be
kits,
different.
You know.
You can add more water, less water to make it stronger if you want a stronger beer. This time I've added slightly less water because I put it into a corner keg. So I've made 19 litres instead of 23 litres. So it will push the ABV up just a little bit.
Okay, it's going to be a fun Sunday afternoon. Right, yeah.
Only a little bit. I think what's it supposed to be?
Well,
inside the box
that's
here.
it. That's
It's a continental Pilsner.
Continental Pilsner.
Beer kit from Muntons.
It is a beer kit from Muntons. I'm just scanning very quickly to see if it gives me the ABV on the... Oh, 4.5 on the front.
4.5, so I might have pushed it up to 5% by reducing the warms.
Right. It's Continental Pilsner, embodies the full character of European lager style beers. Light, delicate and thirst quenching, yet richly satisfying.
Yes.
Oh, I like the sound of this.
We made this and we've reviewed this kit before.
I think we have. But
It's been a while ago, so just like you like the other.
I am biased because I do like his ones through the corner keg, and it's look, that's a frosty glass. That's
Frosty
what
glass.
I like,
I've actually got a bit of life in mine.
Oh, you have?
Yeah. I don't know, it might be the glass you put it in. There's not too much of a nose to that beer, but
No,
that is still a cracking kit.
it's quite nice to it afterwards, isn't
Yeah, there's a nice dryness there. It comes back from the bit.
it? Not a really sharp one, but a nice one, nice smooth
not
one.
like a punchy uppy one, but a nice dry bitterness just to make you nice thirst quenching and
It's right, yeah, it's lovely. That.
just what you want on a nice hot summer's day.
Yeah, it's cracking. Oh, yeah.
That beer kit, of course, is from Muntons. You buy it in most places these days for around about 22 quid, something like that.
Okay.
If you get it somewhere, you might get an offer at 19.95. Get it if it is, because that is a 10 out of 10.
Especially if you do get some children through one of these pumps, it's fantastic. Yeah, brilliant, bro.
Absolutely.
10 out of 10 again, you know.
10 again.
That's 2 10 out of 10s. It's going to go wrong, isn't it?
Don't know, is it?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know. See, I know the third beer is a bitter.
It's a bitter. Yes, the third beer is a full grain beer kit from Guitar Brew called Bitter to the End. Thank you very much indeed, sir.
It's we haven't got. It's full grain. So
So full grain, so it comes
no
in.
packaging.
So it comes in a bag. You just get a bag of grain, upside at various times. Sometimes you don't even get instructions. You just have to take the instructions as you would do a full mash kit. Instructions are on the website, so if you do ever get lost,
Is it opposing to emulate anything, or is it just a bitter?
I don't know really, just a bit of bitter.
It has got a bit of a London Pride nose about it.
There's a good malty nose there. I don't know if I'm going to like this because that is a strong maltness there you can smell.
I'm gonna give it a go.
I'm hoping that there is a nice refreshing bitterness to it. I wouldn't say it's a nice refreshing bitterness.
Oh, bloody hell. Look, in this situation, I really don't want to slag his beer off.
So what you'd be expecting from a full grain kit that took me 4 hours to make is a nice rounded beer with a great flavour. That in.
That's bloody horrible.
God's sake. sake!
He knew that before he let me taste it, I reckon, or not. I'm going to try it again just to make sure it's as bad as what I thought.
I think if it's because we've had the other beers, but that is not great, is it at all?
Oh, it's that kick afterwards. Oh,
It's almost like you can still taste the grain. It's almost like there's a strong maltiness there, and it hasn't really combined very well with the hops that's been put in.
all your grain kits you usually do are nice and rounded. There's nothing rounded about that.
No, there's a sharpness to it.
There's a sharpness to it, and it's that kick afterwards. It's like, it's like eating wheat.
It does almost taste like alcoholic cornflakes again. It's like they've got a nice grainy, wheaty taste, and then the hops haven't really mixed in there, and it's left it horrible. Not a very good job talking, to be fair. Not very good job.
Again, we are only specifying our tastes. We
are.
were talking with a couple of gentlemen in the pub on Friday night, and their tastes were totally opposite to ours. So they might love this because they like Doombar. So yeah. I'm not keen. I don't know if I can. Well, I'll let the brewer award it a score first, shall I?
I'm a bit disappointed, to be fair, because obviously say it's a full grain kit, and if it was a bit like a bitter, even Doombar doesn't taste that bad.
No. It doesn't.
So I'm going to really mark that really low. I'm going to give that probably a 1 out of 10.
I can't even bet him. 2 at a push.
It's nearly. I wouldn't say it's undrinkable, but it's getting
no,
to that.
because if you, like I say, everybody has a different palate, but for me, that is goddamn awful.
You need a different beer to wash it out with, don't you?
Yeah, I'm going to have some Hobgoblin Gold again in a minute. All that Continental Pilsner. Either of them, they were fantastic.
So you can get it wrong sometimes, but it's very rare in brewing. So
and you don't, obviously, what's the point? You don't think it's anything you've done at the brewing process.
I don't think so. I follow the instructions.
Exactly. So there you go. That's all you can do, isn't it?
You know, you do your mashing at a certain degree, and you do your boiling, add your hops at certain times. I don't think anything's gone wrong with the beer because it doesn't taste off, shall we say? It just
it's
just not
doesn't
a very
taste good.
nice taste.
No, it isn't. Right.
Right, that's
3 beers, 2 10s and a very poor one.
That's about it, I think, right?
Yeah, it's bad. Like he says, thanks to the new subscribers. And
if you are watching for the first time, press that button down there, subscribe to our channel, so you won't miss our next instalment. Next time, let me just have a quick look at the board. We will be reviewing Munich Fest, American IPA, and Hell's Bells Pils.
He's very organised, isn't he?
Yeah, I've got what's coming up next.
He's got
just
what's
off
coming
camera
next.
what's next. So.
Oh, fantastic. There's a Citra down here on the floor as well.
Yeah. That's
That's
one
beer,
of the videos.
beer all over the place in here, I tell you.
If you don't want to miss those reviews, those beer kits, tune in next time. Until then, it's a goodbye from me.
That's goodbye from him.
Toodaloo!